today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to do a chopped Italian sandwich. Now, I'm a little late to this party. This has been all over TikTok and YouTube. And you know, one of my favorite subs, if I go to Jimmy John's or Jersey Mike's, Subway, I love a good Italian sub. So we're going to have all the ingredients of an Italian sub, but we're going to chop it up finely and we're going to put it in some good French bread. It's going to be absolutely delicious, guys. And you got to check this out. So I got some Italian seasoning, olive oil, red wine vinegar, some pepperoncinis, red onion, tomato, Parmesan cheese, pepperoni, ham, and salami, and provolone cheese. Man, this is going to be awesome. Stick around, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, so basically we're going to take all the ingredients of an Italian sandwich and we're going to chop it up finely. So we're starting off with some iceberg lettuce. I'm going to add some sliced red onion. And look, you can modify this the way you like it. If you don't like onion, don't put onion. Feel free to be creative, but I love red onion, so I'm going to go a little heavier. Whoops. I'm going to go a little heavier than probably most people. Then I'm going to put some sliced tomatoes on here. We're going to slice this with a thick chef knife. Chop it down finely. Now look at this. A little bit of tomato. Alright. So we're going to start off with some ham. Who doesn't like ham on their sub sandwich, right? We'll just throw some slices on here. Yeah, let's do one more. Alright, I got some salami. Some salami on this sub sandwich. Look at this. And then I got some pepperoni. And look, just throw it all together. It's not very complicated. Alright, I got an extra piece of salami here. Pepperoni. And then last but not least, the cheese of your choice. I am using provolone, because that's what I like in an Italian sub, right? Use what you like. Alright, so we got everything on there. Now we're going to add a little bit of red wine vinegar. We need a little bit of liquid on this. A little bit of olive oil. Like so. Alright guys, so we have everything together. Now, here comes the fun part. Get a big knife. We're going to just try to chop this up into smaller pieces. And this is basically all the ingredients that we like in a sub sandwich. Now look at this, guys. So give me a second. I'm going to keep chopping this up. Get a big knife that you can put some pressure on. We're just going to cut this up into fine pieces. We got a little bit more ingredients to add, some seasoning, but we'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so here you go. I sliced it up quite nicely. You just want to kind of get all those flavors to kind of mix together. Alright. So now what I'm going to do, we're going to add some pepperoncinis. Now if you don't like it a little spicy, don't add the pepperoncinis. These are already chopped up. Get a little bit of that juice on there to give it a little bit of that flavor. There we go. Because, look, this is what you get with a Italian sub. I got a little bit of mayonnaise I'm going to mix in here. Not too much, just a little bit to kind of bind everything together. We got that red wine vinegar and olive oil, just like that. And now we're going to do a little Italian seasoning. And we're going to mix this all together one last time. And man, look at this. This is going to be a great sandwich. All right. You can continue to chop it a little bit, mix everything together. All right, guys, we'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, last thing is we're gonna sprinkle on some fresh grated Parmesan.
Reggiano. This is the good stuff.
Okay. Mix it all up again.
This is the aged stuff.
Yeah, there we go, man. Look at this.
That.
If you like a good Italian sub,
Ooh.
this is the way to go. I haven't tried this, but yeah.
It looks good.
It's been a TikTok sensation. We'll give it a try right now, guys. Let me get some good French bread. We'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, so I got a big French bread that I sliced open. First, we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. Just like so. This is Italian sub after all, right? Okay. A little red wine vinegar. Okay, just like so. And a little Italian seasoning. All right, now that the bread's ready to go, now let's add, I'll just show you here, guys. We're gonna add the beautiful Italian chopped sandwich ingredients. So I'm just gonna use my knife here. All right, man. Oh man, does this look good? Then lastly, I'll put a little bit of, sprinkle some ground black pepper. And a little bit more of that Italian seasoning. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. There we go, guys. Let me slice into this. Ooh, look at this. And we'll, oh man, it's already falling out. Let's see if I can hold it up. Oh. Look at that, guys. We'll slice into this, give it a taste in just a second. Here we are, the chopped Italian sandwich. I'm gonna cut this in thirds. So let's just go right here. Let's just go right here. All right, guys. There we go, guys. I'll be back. We'll give this a sample in just a second. All right, guys, welcome back. I'm here with my wife, Monica.
Hi.
All right, I just cut. You want to try a centerpiece too? Just to try it? Look at this, guys. I love a good Italian sandwich. Yeah, just pick up.
Oh, it's gonna be a mess.
I know it's gonna be a mess.
I can't do that.
No, lean over the cutting board. I'm gonna move these pieces forward. There we go.
Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
All right, guys, I love a good Italian sub. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right.
I can't even get my mouth around it. Oh.
Mmm.
Wow.
The perfect blend, man. Oh. Onions, the salami, I can taste everything.
That was delicious. Wow. This is probably now on my favorite with your smash burger tacos.
Yeah. I mean, look, I love a good Italian sub. But chopping it up like this just gives it a different texture.
And it's really messy.
And it's very messy, but it's very good. Mm.
I like that. It's very good. You guys have to try this. I can't even tell you how the flavor blend. You got some on your neck. I'm sorry.
My neck?
Yeah. No. The flavor blend. It's like eating an antipasta salad.
You got some too.
It's like eating an antipasta salad with your French bread on the side.
You're
I don't know.
taking
It's
too
just
long. I need to take them over.
okay. Okay. Yes.
The seasoning. Kind of seasoning, the olive oil, provolone, salami, ham, everything just kind of blends
It's
together.
really good.
The Parmesan cheese, I can taste that too.
This is so good.
If you like a good Italian sub, guys, give this a try. I guarantee you'll like it.
It's really good.
As always, guys, if you like the video, please hit the like button.
Do it.
This logo on my shirt is the logo on the bottom of the screen. If you click on that, it allows you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that. It helps my channel grow. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. We'll see you next time, guys. No, it's
I
really
can't
good.
wait.
It's good.
This is really good. And we're hungry. And this is good.
Alright, guys, we'll see you next time. We're going to enjoy this. Thanks for stopping by.
The dog's trying to get it.
The train is coming down to town too. We can see.